Boom. That's it. Lasso. Rashid Dalek. Lasso. Peyaguduk. Terimi mangbuduk. Hmm? Lasso. Yeah, Pema Jimbala in the Pema Jimbala. Rashid Dalek. Pema Jimbala. Three root sound. Karere.
Kasi talaga na. Favorite sounds. Ha, ha. Ah.
Peyagu. Peyagu. Three root sound. Takarare. Peyagu. Tene Pemala. Diloronan. Yeah.
Uh, sa, ha, ta, cha.
Peyagu. Yagulos. Tujiche. Hola, so dineya Pedrola in the Pedrola. Pedrola Tilotan.
Hello.
Tilotan. Loa.
Hello.
Let's read this.
Okay. Ha, ka,
Hmm?
and ha. Ra, ma, na, la, ta, ka, pa, ya.
Peyagu. Yaguloson. Tujiche. Pedrola. Then I wanna ask Pedrola, out of these three root sound, which one changes sound?
Changes sound.
Mhm.
The blue ones.
That's in the ha category, right? Hmm? When do they change
Yes, the
sound?
categories.
When do they change sound?
When they have a suffix. Yes.
Suffix, Mare. Prefix. Prefix.
Prefix. Yes, yes, prefix. Yes,
Hmm.
yes.
When there
Yes.
is a prefix and
Uh, as how do you call it? I don't know the name.
you can, you can say anything. You can say and something on the top. You can say like this.
The accent, not the accent, the I don't know, the vowel. Vowel.
Vowel mare, vowel mare. For example, we have like this. You said prefix sound changes, right? That's true. Let's say
Yes.
au, tha, la, del.
Hmm.
This tha becomes the because of the prefix,
Hmm.
right? Now let's say,
Yes.
let's read this one then.
That one is the same.
Uh,
Sa,
uh-huh,
sa ta tak, sa ta tak, da,
uh-huh.
la, del.
That's it. Now you see, whenever there is a prefix or superscript,
The superfix. Yes, yes, yes. I see now. Okay, okay. Yes,
that's it.
yes,
The main
yes.
sound changes when there is a prefix or superscript. Like this.
Superscript. Yes, yes, yes.
Agosma,
Okay.
peo, peo.
Okay.
Fujiche Pedrola. Tene Edamla in. Edamla Tashidelek Lasso.
Rashidalik.
Tashidelek Edamla. And Edamla, our category changes sound, right? When there is a
Yeah.
prefix or superscript. Let's say how many type of sound they changes to and what are they?
Two different types of sound. One's more bass sound and one's a high sound.
Pero, pero. Hmm? Pero. Two sound changes. One more bass, one higher sound. Right? Let's take example here. Ruba. Yeah. Tilotang. Adamla tilorona.
Uh, Gala, gel, ra, gatak, g, la, gel.
Pero. gel, gel. Like this. Pea 불러서. 라서. 되네, 야. 딜러로나.
Mm. Um, nah, maybe. Um,
당부 D인다, 당부 D. Yeah. Let's try this one.
yeah. Ah, nen,
nen 말해. 디 가르,
nan,
디 가르래. 디 가르래. 디 가르래. 디
na,
가르래. 잠라.
na,
nen. Not nen.
nen, nen. Oh, okay.
음,
Na, nen.
어? 좋아. 되네, 딜러로나.
Sa, mm, natak.
응,
Na, nen,
응. 나딱,
na.
nen. Like this.
Okay. Sa, natak, na, nen.
So we can see here two types of sound change. One more bass, kel to gel. One
Mm.
more higher, nen to nen. Like this. Akosma. Tujiche Edamla. Thank you very much.
Okay.
So that's it. Pay song. Olas. Oh yeah. Teneya imogen la inda. Imogen la. Tilorona. Ashidelek. So imogen la. Ditang dilorona. Yeah. Let's read these two.
Ka, sa, drimbu, se, ra, ser,
Mm-hmm.
sa, drimbu, se, ra,
Mm-hmm.
ser.
That's it. Kau sa dengbo se ra ser. Sa dengbo se ra ser. We will notice here there is no sound change here, right? Imogen, can you tell us why there is no sound change, even though there is prefix?
No, sorry,
No
I
problem.
can't.
No problem. Because we know out of these three categories, only this one changes sound. These two doesn't change sound. And if you look at it, sa is a category. So this one also doesn't change sound. Agosma imogenla. You read perfectly, but you didn't know
Thank
the reason. So now you know. Agosma.
thank you. Tujiche,
No problem.
su,
That's it.
na.
So now we know here for sure ah and ha category doesn't change the sound when there is a prefix or superscript. Only category changes. Right? That's it. That's it. Okay? Yeah, tene 이용라 인다. 이용라 다시 delek. 이용라 딜로로나.
Daily
다시 delek 이용라.
phá là phiêu
음.
phá phá là phiêu
My bell, more bass.
phiêu
Hmm?
Morbius
But you know
Mor
there is sound changes. That's very good. Agosma. But changes to which one you didn't know yet. That's no problem. We will know this from doing again and again. Agosma. That's it. Now we know pa changes to ba like this. Roa. Roya pala. Now you see here Falafel, al, pa, la, bell. Like this. How goes one? Yonla. Tujiche. Hmm?
Tujiche.
Tujiche. Like this. Bell. Yeah, tene. Yeah, the कौन सा पर Mickey Lagadegla. Mickey Lagadegla. Try cheki imbe. You wanna try? So.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna try.
Hmm?
Okay. Ra, ra, tadak, narogo,
Pa ra
l,
khata ga
gol,
narugu.
gol, gol,
Gol.
gol.
Hmm?
Okay. Ra, 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 kadak, go, ga, narogo, gol,
Ra khata ga narugo la. Gol.
gol. Pau, ka, naroko, kol,
Gol. You have to read this one
kol,
also.
kol.
Bosma.
Oh, yes.
You leave
La.
this one. You say pa ka naro, then you don't read this one. I want you to read this one also. How about like
Lasso.
this? Yeah, very good try, Mikila. Hmm? Pau ra kataga narugo la gul. Ra kataga narugo la gul. Pau ka narugo la gul. Gol, gol, gol. Gulu gulu. Like this. If we see here, we will notice all these three are same sound. Whether there is a prefix or whether there is a prefix and superscript both, effect is same. Agosanga, whether there is both of them, one of them, or one of them. Girl, girl, girl. Effect is same. We will see here. Agosanga, that's it. Some revision little bit. Agosanga, lasso. Tene tene di inda vanilla try chikimbe vanilla inda. Para Parmeshri vanilla.
Okay.
So
Ta na ten
tha na
la
hmm.
ta na ten la tatak ta na ten.
That's it. Do you think these two are same?
Not sure.
Hmm.
It's no, well, they're different. One has a superscript and
That's very good.
the
You
na
see here,
changes.
that's it. Here there is a last superscript, right?
Yeah.
Now we know that out of three root sound category, only one of them changes. Two of them doesn't changes, which are
It's just
ah and
ah
ha
and
category
ah,
doesn't changes, right?
da. Yeah,
Only ah category changes. Let's go
changes.
back and look. Where is tha
I
in
think that's
this
what in
category?
the R category. Ah, na is there. Yeah.
So we see
So
tha
you get
is
this.
in the ah category. Now we are sure it changes sound. How goes on? Like this. You
So
read that.
then, yeah.
That's it. Hola, so here, ha na ten. It's not the. How goes on?
Ta na then. Da, da,
Ha,
then.
tha is a dharma. Dharma. When you say dharma, it's soft. Tha, like that tha.
Uh-huh.
Ten. Then here we have then.
Then.
Ten. Then. then, like this.
Then.
Hmm? Very good. Now we will
So
see.
la tha tha.
Mhm.
Uh-huh.
Yes, please. Try.
No, sorry, Ji. La tha 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 na then.
That's it. That's it.
Then.
There. How goes on? Very clear pronunciation. Then. Right?
Hen.
How goes on? There. Now we are know this here. We are noticing only category sound changes when there is a prefix or superscript. How goes on? And it changes to two types. One higher, one bolder. That's it. Fair one. Okay. Then we shouldn't forget the vowels. Kiku. Ma kiku mi. Ma shakyu mu. Ma dengpo me. Ma naru mo. How goes on? There. Okay. Then we learned a question. Right? Yeah, Sonam Durgara in the Sonam Durgara. Let's read this. Dilotan.
다시 들래?
Rashidalek.
네 가래래.
Well, Sonam Durgara, di karere.
네 음, 루크래.
That's it. Very good. Di look re. Look. How goes ma? Meh. Rua. Di look re. Like this. The question. Di karere. Di look re. Like this. If I tell the answer, Sonam Dogala, try making question. If I say, di lucre, what will be the question?
네 루크래빼.
Or,
네 루크 마래빼.
or the question word,
question 빼.
di
pa and
kare.
sa pe.
Marmare. Here, this is the question word here.
Di karere pe.
No, you don't say pe here because kare is already question.
Oh,
You don't put pe. Two question in one sentence.
okay. So
So
we can say di karere or we can say di repe.
no, di look repe.
Di look repe.
The two types of question you are asking, like, isn't this look or what is this? That's it. These two.
Oh, thanks for clear.
Di karere. Like this. We learned this.
Okay.
Like this. 빼야고 손음 들어갈라 두지치. 야, 되네. 캔디스라인다. 캔디스라. 다시 delek.
Just delay.
캔디스라 다시 delek. If I say di lam re, what will be the question?
Di karere, or you can say di lam rebe.
That's it. Di karere or di lam repe. 빼하고 숭숭 캔디스라 투지치. 라소. 드네야 다왈라인다. 다왈라. 다왈라 다시 delek. di karere. Di karere.
Di gore.
That's it. Di go re. Right?
Di gore.
Well, Ruba, we have here Mao Ka Naru Go. Right? Yeah. Di go re. Well, okay. 투지치. 나올라 투지치. 빼야고 송송. Hmm?
부지치.
Holas. Then we learned Kong Sure. If you remember, who is he or she? Kong is gender neutral. The question word here is Su. Here. Hmm? So who? We learn Kare. We learn who here. Oh yeah. 좋아. 음. 야, 당노일라입니다. 당노일라. 다시 데렉.
다시 내
당노일라. 당노일라 공수래.
네, 마이클 잭슨 네.
공 마이클 잭슨 레이. 양겹성당 공수래.
콩 마이클 잭슨 네.
That's it. Finish. 빼하고 송송. 당노일라. 도대체 공 마이클 잭슨 레이. 공 gender neutral. 하고 송아. If you wanna be specific, you can say ko as a male. He. Like it. 하고 송아. 코 마이클 잭슨 레이. 코 마이클 잭슨 레이. 응? 오케이. 당노라 투지치 빼하고 송송. Then we learned how to say and between two items. This and this. Like this. 봐봐. 디당 디. Like this. 하고 송아. 야, 되네. 루윤라인다. 루윤라. 딜로로나. 응?
Tí thằng tí thà rê rê.
That's it. If I ask you, di tang di karere,
Tí thằng tí mic rê.
that's it. Di tang di mik mare mik 하고 송아 mik ma kiku mi ka mik. If you say mik, it should be prefix. There should be prefix or superscript. Samata ma kiku mi ka mik, like this. There is no superscript or prefix. So ma kiku mi ka mik. 하고 송아 루윤라. 응?
부지치.
도대체. 응? I can see Ruyunla have already studied before little bit and you have this habit. Now you realize it. 하고송아, 응? 라sso mic 빼하고 디당 디 micre like this. 도지치 Ruyunla. Then we learned instead of the far away we say te. 좋아? 야, 팡팡라, 다시 델렉. 팡팡라, 딜로로나.
다시 델렉 텐실라.
다시 델렉. 응?
디,
딜로로나.
디카레레.
디 말에,
테카레레. Sorry.
대 가레레. That's it. Instead of the, we have 대 가레레. 야, 팡팡라, 대 가레레.
리레.
That's it. Can you spell 리?
I'm sorry. 라, 댕. 라, 라, 댕포레.
라 덴고 레레.
Sorry. You
디
don't know.
가레레.
리. That one is 리.
라.
키쿠리.
라 기쿠리.
쿠리.
하고
라 키쿠리. Sorry.
That's it. He reads or they read like this. Hola, so tujiche. 빼고 송송 팡팡라. So now we know here. Till now we have learned like a four major question here. 하고송아, I'll put it down here. 디 가래래. 대 가래래. 그러봐. 디 소레페. Then we learned in the previous class, mik lapna karere, so lapna karere. If you remember, when you don't understand some word or a meaning of a word, then you can ask, mik lapna karere, meditation lapna karere. Ruwa, physics lapna karere. Anything you can ask like this. If you don't understand something, you can say, oh, Kenla, mik lapna karere. Like this. Although you don't have to call me Kenla, but out of habit. Like this. Okay? Mik lapna karere. Then we have question. Kong suri. Like this. Raba? Kong suri. Now gender specific. Mo suri. Or ko suri. Like this. Raba? Like this. Mosure, kosure, kongsure. Then from here, we have here di sorepe. If you just say di sore, it will be answer. Di sore, di gore, di mikre. Like just put pe, it becomes question. Is it? Like then you can also ask it in the negative. Marepe, isn't it? Di so marepe. Ruba? Okay. Then we know if you don't if someone asks di so repe pointing at the mic, then your answer will be mare di so mare di mikre, like this. That's how you correct it, right? Hakosuma? Lasso. Is there any question till now here? If not, we will go to practice exercise. Last. No question. Boom. That's it. Lasso. Yeah, 다인다. Yeah. Yeah. 이모겐라인다. 이모겐라 공수래. 공수래.
Einstein-Ray.
알레. 공 마이클 잭슨 마르페.
Kung Michael Jackson Mare.
That's it. That's how you answer. 공 마이클 잭슨 마레. 공 Einstein.
Einstein-Ray.
하고서는 yeah, that's it. Yeah,
Chichichi.
Okay. Just like this. 하고서 야, 되네 빼마 짐발라인다. 콩수레.
Kong, sorry, I can't see who you. Kong Burare?
or 콩상게레. You can say 상게레. Or
Sangere.
콩다르타레. Anything you want to say. 하고서 Ale. 콩 예수 마르베. 예수 마시카 마르베.
Re. Kong Jesu Mare. Kong Sangere.
That's it. We say Yeshu, but in English they say Joshua or something, right? I don't know. Oh yeah, Yeshu Mare. Kong Sangere. That's it. Just like that, we can practice spell. So, yeah, the Pedrola in the Pedrola. Pedrola, di carire.
I don't remember the name, sorry. It's okay. Di me tokre.
That's it. Di metokre. That's it.
Metokre. Yes, metokre.
What I want to suggest is instead of writing a translation, whatever we learn in the class, instead of translating, draw it.
Oh,
Don't worry about the drawing nice or not nice. You are looking at it. Just draw it.
okay.
If you translate, I want to say this. You are learning the translated language. You will always forget the Tibetan. It will deceive you from knowing. If you have to translate, translate it. At the same time, draw something on the side also. That's it. Just suggestion. Pedro lagi pe ako sungsong tujiche. Di metok re. Ma dengpo me tanarutok katok. Di metok re. Metok, any metok. Pema metok. We know famous. Pema metok. Padma metok. Ruba? Like this. Raso. Edam la sungrona. Di karire.
Di kangpa re.
Kangpa.
Kangpa.
Re di kangpa re. Ruba? Oh. Oh, lasra. Di mention marbe.
Di mention mare pe. Mare, di mention mare, di kangpa re. Kangpa re.
That's fail. That's how we answer. Ruba? Fail. Tene yonla inda. Yonla tashi the lake. Yonla. Yonla di karire. Di karire.
Di yu re.
That's it. Yonla gi pe ako sung. Di you re. He didn't say you. Because of the ka prefix, ya become ya. That's why you. Ako sung pe ako. Pe ako sung. Yeah. Tene now new type of question in the sonam dokala in the ka labna karere. Ka labna karere.
Labna ka re.
Mare. Ka labna karere. That's the question.
Di ka re.
Very good. That's right answer. Di ka re. That's it. Ruwa? Huh? Or another way of saying ka is this one. Then how would you say?
Ka kapna re.
Not re, di re. You have to point at it.
Oh. Ka kapna di re.
That's it. Ka labna di re. That's it. Whenever you say di, please point at it. You have to point at it. This one, like this. You have to point at it, right? Like this. Agosma. Ka lapna dire. That's it. The question will be Ka lapna karere. Then Sonam Dokala said Ka lapna dire, pointing at the mouth. Agosma, not the teeth. Teeth karere, teeth labna karere, teeth labna so re or di re. Like this. Ruwa? Pe agosung song. Sonam Dogala Tujiche. Also, we should also look at this sentence, how to say this. Ka labna dire. Mik labna dire. Go labna dire. Like this. Ruwa? Go labna dire. Mik labna dire. Ka labna dire. So labna dire. Like this. You have to point at it. How goes, ma? Ya wasung song. Tainda. No. Tene ya mikila inda. Mikila kongsure. Mikila kongsure. Miki lakadegla. Sorry.
Sorry, I don't know because I missed like the last 2 weeks I was at work, so I don't know.
That means you only miss 4 hours. You can catch up very soon. How goes, ma?
Yeah.
No problem. Megillah can catch up. It's 2 weeks means 4 hours. That's it. It's like watching one long movie. Okay. Last. So, tade ya. Tene Megillah mena. Tene Ruyun la inda. Ruyun la kongsure.
Kong ajak re.
That's it. Achak. Megillah dete a. Ah. Cha ka chak. Achak. Sister re. Hagosma. Achak lapna. Sister re. Achak. Like this. Okay? Kong sure. Kong achak re. Instead of Kong, I could use gender specific. Mo sure. Mo achak re. Right? That's it. Ruyun lape ako sung tuji che. Tene dawala yin. Dawala kong sure.
콩, 부, 그래.
Rere, kong kong puri. Inayang brother la karere. Kong sure.
콩, 부모니래.
Kong jojo re.
아, 좋죠. 좋죠.
Cha narucho. Cha narucho. Chocho, brother.
좋죠.
Chocho labna, brother re. Achak labna, sister re. Agosma. Okay?
콩, 좋죠래.
That's it.
아착 말해.
Kong chocho re. Achak mare. Like this. Kong achak re. Chochok mare. Right. Go. Hola, so. Feo. That's it. Oh, yeah. Then we will learn only one new question today. Agosma? Yeah. Parmeshri Lainda. Parmeshri Lainda. Diloktam.
Particular. This week. What was sheep? I didn't remember that one. Luke. Is it Luke?
Look, Ray. Let's read this.
Luke. Okay. Okay. Chick. Chickpa. Chickpa repe.
That's it. Boom. Finish. Very good. Yeah. Chikpa repe. Now today we are learning this new Chikpa same. Repe. Question. Is it same? Same? Chikpa repe. Make it enthusiastic when you question. Chikpa repe. New question here. Chikpa repe.
Chikpa repe. Chikpa repe. Chikpa repe.
Yeah, then practice in the yeah. Dang noila in the dang noila. Dang noila. Di thang di thang di chikpa repe.
Chipare.
That's it. Or full answer di thang di. This and this. Di thang di chikpa re. What is this? Okay? Di thang di chikpa re. Right? Chikpa re here. What? Chikpa re. Now negative. Chikpa mare.
Chikpa mare.
Chikpa re. Chikpa mare.
Chikpa re. Chikpa mare.
And we also learned this and this. Di thang.
Chikpa repe.
Di thang di chikpa mare.
Chikpa re.
Chikpa re. Chikpa mare. Yeah, you won't learn.
Cho.
You
Chikpa
won't learn.
mare.
Di thang di chikpa repe.
Di thang di.
Mare.
Chikpa mare.
Di thang di. Chikpa mare.
Di thang di. Chikpa mare.
Full answer. Mare. Di thang di chikpa mare.
Hare.
Dola mute Shirunam. Dola mute Remindo. Hakumason. Lasso. Tigidu. Hakosuma. Di thang di chikpa mare. Or chikpa re. Like that. Rua? New question today we learned. Hakosuma. Di thang di chikpa repe. Answer. Di thang di chikpa re. Or di thang di chikpa mare. Like this. Tender wa? Okay? Hola. Di thang di chikpa mare. Di look re. Di ra re. Like this. Di thang di chikpa re. Di look re. Di look re. Rwa? Ta inda, yeah. Adam la inda, Adam la. Adam la di thang di chikpa re pe.
Ditang di chikpa mare.
Pe ako. Di kare re.
Di gangpa re.
Di
Di di tentre, di kure. I
That's
can't
it.
remember.
Ka, shapkyu, ku, ra,
Di
ku.
ku, kur re.
Pe ako. Chikpa mare. Di khangpa re. Di kur re. Pe ako. Pe ako sung sung. Laso. Tene ya. Candice la inda. Di thang di chikpa re pe.
Di thang di chikpa re.
Ale, di thang di kare re.
Di thang di me tak re.
Me tok re.
Me tak re.
That's it. Di thang di me tok re. That's it. Chikpa re. Rawa? Yeah. Parmeshri la inda. Di thang di chikpa re pe.
Di thang di, what was teeth again? Bell? No, tail. I can't remember what was the teeth.
First, let's answer chikpa re pe. Di thang di chikpa re pe.
Di thang di chikpa mare.
That's it. Di, so for teeth.
So, that. Di thang so re.
Di so re. Di kare re.
Di mikre.
That's it. Di mikre. Di so
Di
re.
mikre. Di so re. Di mikre.
Re. Di thang di chikpa mare. Rawa?
Di chikpa mare. Di so re. Tang di mikre.
That's it. So, Parmeshwarila, don't say thang if you said re.
Okay.
Thang should be between
Okay.
this and this. Not if you finish the sentence, you cannot start the sentence with thang. Okay? We have other word. You can say ani, ani, ani.
Okay. Okay.
In English, you say and everywhere. But in Tibetan, this and different and.
Ani.
When you start the sentence with the and, you say ani. Di sore ani di mikre. Like this. Okay? That's it.
That's okay. Thank you.
Sujiche, Parmeshwarila, you did well. And I will suggest you to keep on watching the videos also. That's all.
You're breaking off. Let me see.
That's it. That's all.
I could not hear the last sentence. Gela. The connection was bad. Sorry.
I suggest you to. You did very well, even though you missed some hour class. But I will suggest you to also look at the videos. Okay? That's all I'm saying. Lasso. 도지체. 되네야, 황팡라인다. 황팡라, 디당, 디 카레레.
Đi thang đi du lịch.
디당, 디 칙바레페.
Đi thang đi Shikpare.
그래요. 디, 스포, 레페.
Can you say it again, please?
디소 레페.
Mare. Đi so mare. Đi du lịch.
That's it. 황팡라, 페. Like this, we can practice. 그리고 디 강바 레페. Like this. 디 굴 레페. Or you can say 디 메톡 레페. Anything. Or 디 가레레. 그리고 Okay. Then we have also 콩수레, 코수레, 모수레. Like this. Yeah, let's practice a little bit. 여보. 사와. 오, 드링 디민둑. Yeah. 루윤라인다. 루윤라. Yeah. 루윤라. 루윤라 디 카레레.
Đi không bao rể.
디 호텔 마르베.
Mare. Đi hotel Maripe. Đi không bao rể.
디 호텔 마레. 디 강파레.
Mare.
아니 디 카레레.
Đi Kure.
알레. 라소. 디당 디 찍바레베.
Đi thang đi Jipa Mare.
That's it. 빼야 보송송. 두지치. 루율라. 두지치 빼야 보송송. 야, 수놈 들어갈라인다. 수놈 들어갈라. 다시 달렉. 수놈 들어갈라. 디탕 디 찍바를 빼.
Mare. Đi thang đi Shikpa mare.
빼요. 디 가리레.
Đi lúc rè.
디 가리레.
Đi ra rè.
디 캥거루 마르베.
Mare. Đi ra rè.
That's it. 마레 디 캥거루 마레 디 라레.
Đi ra rè.
두지치.
다시.
두지치. 야, 되네. 이모겐 라인다. 이모겐 라. Let's try a little bit. 봐봐. 콩수레 이모겐 라.
Te candide.
콩수레.
Te candide.
You don't say D to human being. You can say 콩. Or
Okong.
like it's not a sin to say this, but I'm just saying language rule.
Okay. Kong candide.
That's it. 콩 간디.
Thank you.
콩 도널드 트럼프 마르베.
Sorry.
콩 트럼프 마르베.
Kong Jung Mare. Kong candide.
That's it.
Thank you, teacher.
That's it. 빼하고 순서. 두지치. 야, 페드롤라인다. 페드롤라. 페드롤라 다시 델레 콩수레.
콩 달라이라마레.
알레. 추기 님을 붙여 마르베.
마레 콩 차키니마 리포체 마레. 콩 달라이라마레.
알레. 라스. 빼하고 순서. Like this. 하고 순서. 페드롤라 빼하고 순서. 두지치. 네. 야, 나와라인다. 나와라 콩수레.
콩 트럼프레.
콩 김종운 마르베.
공중 말해. 곤탐브레.
That's it. Kong Kim Jong Un Mare. Kong Tram Re. Like it. How goes, Ma? So like this, please. I would like us to practice. And in the group, I'm very happy. You help each other. You practice. You make effort. Very good. How goes, Ma? Keep on doing this. And that's it for today. Boom, boom, shagalaga, boom, boom. That's it.
Would you share
Thank
this?
you, teacher.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
다시 봄봄.
That's it. That's it. Bye-bye. That's all.